Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss erectile dysfunction and treatment using bremelanotide, also known as PT141. PT141 is not just any kind of treatment, it's a new revolutionary approach to enhancing sexual desire. So let's dive into it to see what PT141 has to offer. PT141 operates uniquely by mimicking the action of a hormone called melanocyte-stimulating hormone. This hormone plays a vital role in different bodily functions, including sexual activities. Unlike different sexual medications, PT141 acts directly on the brain, especially at the melanocortin systems, which in turn ignites sexual desire and receptiveness in both men and women. This is a fascinating science that is offering a fresh perspective on how to treat erectile dysfunction and low libido. Now the question is, how does PT141 work in the body? PT141 sends signals to the brain, like the cortex and the thalamus, boosting sexual receptiveness. It increases the nitric oxide to the genitals, which is like igniting the key to sexual receptiveness. This ensures rush of blood to the genitals, which is very crucial for both arousal and sustaining of erection. It has been approved for menopausal women struggling with hyperactive sexual desire disorder. A lot of men have also benefited from PT141, ranging from erection rigidity, sexual duration, and overall sexual satisfaction. PT141 can be taken as spray or injection exactly 45 minutes before sexual intercourse within 24 hours. However, precautions has to be taken before taking it. It is recommended to be taken not more than once within 24 hours and a maximum of 8 times within a month. Avoid it if you have high blood pressure or any heart disease. And don't forget to consult your doctor before using it because it has a lot of side effects. The side effects of using PT141 include the following: nausea, flushing, headache, in some cases, hyperpigmentation. The introduction of PT141 is a big step in treating erectile dysfunction and low libido, making life easier sexually. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to others. Thank you for watching.